Welcome to your verification tutorial.
Log into your client portal. Navigate to the document upload page. Select ID or passport.
Kindly ensure that all four corners of the document are visible, pictures are clear and contain your full name, and that there are no screenshots or cropped images.
Fill in all the fields on the form for the document type that you are uploading. Upload the front and back side of the document.
Good job! Step 1 complete. You're halfway there.
Next, navigate to the document upload page. Select proof of address.
Kindly note that we do not accept PO Box addresses or documents older than 3 months. Please ensure that you upload the full, clear document with your name and address clearly visible in English.
Fill in all the fields on the form. Next, upload the documents.
You have now completed the verification process.